Hello, Sarah from the Bureau here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow. So that's Wednesday, the 18th of February. So we'll start off by taking a look at tomorrow's synoptic map. We have this cold front across the southeast with showers clearing out into the Tasman Sea, but with an associated trough and gusty southerly change pushing up the east coast of New South Wales, bringing relief to the warm temperatures, but also bringing with it a risk of some showers and storms. Across our tropical north, very humid conditions with widespread showers and storms continuing, and even a risk of some heavy rainfall with any of those storms. While this high pressure system in the Great Australian Bight is bringing generally dry and settled weather across the south, and temperatures really starting to build through far western parts of WA with that heat trough. So let's now go around the country, state by state, taking a closer look. For Queensland, just the possibility of some morning fog patches about the southeast, clearing to a mostly dry and sunny day, but elsewhere across southern parts, just the risk of a shower. Through central and northern parts, however, showers and storms are expected, tending more scattered throughout the north, where heavy rainfall is possible through those northern areas and as well out in the northwest. For Brisbane, a mostly sunny day and a top of 31 degrees. Down in New South Wales, we do have that trough and gusty southerly change pushing up the coast and bringing with it a risk of showers right throughout that southeastern area, with afternoon showers and storms developing near and just behind that gusty change. Elsewhere across the state, mostly sunny conditions in the northeast and out in the west. For Sydney, a chance of an afternoon shower or storm with that gusty southerly change that we're expecting to move through around during the early afternoon, a maximum of 34 degrees, but much cooler conditions are expected once that change does move through. For Canberra, a risk of an afternoon shower and a top of 30 degrees. Down in Victoria, just a few showers throughout eastern parts, contracting and clearing out into the Tasman Sea. Elsewhere though, dry and partly cloudy conditions. Daytime temperatures are expected to be slightly below the average for this time of year. For Melbourne, there is a risk of an early morning shower about the far eastern suburbs, clearing to a partly cloudy day, a top of 25 degrees. Down in Tasmania, just a few showers about the windward slopes and coasts in the west, and then showers really starting to increase during the afternoon with the passage of this trough. Daytime temperatures near average, and for Hobart we're expecting a chance of a shower, most likely during the afternoon, a top of 22. For South Australia, it's going to be a generally dry and mostly sunny day, apart from the risk of a shower or storm about the very far north. Daytime temperatures in the low to mid-20s near the coast, but grading into the low to mid-30s as we head further inland. For Adelaide, a partly cloudy day and a top of 25 degrees. Now for WA, we do have this high pressure system in the south that's going to be bringing generally dry and settled weather, with morning fog patches through the south clearing to a sunny day. As we head further through into the interior though, there's an increased risk of showers and storms. Temperatures really starting to build about that west coast as the winds turn easterly, so bringing much drier and hotter continental air up over the coast. For Perth, we're expecting a sunny day and a top of 34 degrees. Now for our tropical north, really humid conditions with showers and storms continuing to be widespread across the region, and there is a risk of those heavy falls in the vicinity of these troughs or the low pressure systems. For Darwin, we've got showers and the risk of a thunderstorm, a top of 32. Now, if you are wanting a more detailed forecast for your local area, you can head to the Bureau's website, the app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.